Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, configuration, installation for some open source applications. Okay, so for today guys, we have new product that to maximize your calls, to generate more calls on your Vicidial, especially for those outbound call centers. Okay, so for today, I will introduce to you the one of the leading AMD AI application right now for Vicidial. And besides po, it's not a came up or any other tools. This is one this made for AI. So this is a AMDIO, the AI answering machine service for the Vicidial. So this is the AMDIO. You can visit the AMDIO. Okay, and then this is the one that's say goodbye to your wasted time and hello to efficient call handling. So it's efficient call handling and wasted time for your agents. So it's applicable for our Vichy dial, and also it's applicable to vicibox server and CentOS or Alma Linux and other. I think it's other also Alma and Racal Linux is available also. So this is the ac- uh, so it's a high accurate detection AMDIO. It's a AI tech that is made for AI technology. Ensure that answering machines are accurate detection, reduce the number of false positive, and improving overall call center handling. And also, it's a quick setup. Only 10. Actually, it's only 5 minutes to 5 minutes to set up. Okay, and also um, AMDIO, they will giving you a free 1 week trial for the AMDIO. So once you like it, you can confirm with the vendor that you want to subscribe. I think it's only minimal fee, or I think okay. So on it's only like 79 US dollar per asterisk server or per server. Okay, so if you are on cluster, so it means you have 4 asterisk servers, so it means you need to subscribe all of them. So it's $79 per server. So if you have at least 10 or more server, they can give a discount to you. Just contact the contact the vendor, and also don't forget to say my name, or you get the AMDIO by HBT tutorial, so that they can give you more discount more discount about the product. But at least you have at least minimum 10 asterisk server. Okay, so they giving you a big discount for that. Okay, so for today's video, I will teach you on how you install this. And of course, once you already installed, just vendor, they will ask your server IP, that so that they can whitelist to their switch, and you can able to use the AMDIO, the another digital answering machine detection in the market right now. So uh, actually Vicidial, it can handle the but they have some false positive sometimes. Vicidial, it's human, but sometimes they tag as answering machine. It depends on the voice of the person. But Vicidial answering machine also, the built-in AMD of Vicidial, you can able to filter 20 to 20% or 80% of the call, and 20% is still uh, detection. But if you use the AMDYio, so uh, they can filter most actually they can filter efficiency of the answering machine is ranging to at least 90% of the answering machine. So it's very good than uh, it's very good or it's very effective than the built-in AMD of the Vicidial. So if you want to get more calls and more sales, especially if you are getting more human calls, so you can also possibly get more sales on the on your center. So okay, so we will continue again. So now we will start how to install the AMDIO. Okay, so first you need to log in here on your, so first you need to log into your admin. Okay. Okay, so after your login, so you must need to go, so to your to admin, you need to go to your admin and the carrier. Okay. And after that, first they have some modules we need to install. So this is the installation instruction of AMDIO. So this one for Vicibox is here, and Vicibox 11 we need to install this following. So right now you need to go log into your footy. I'm using Vicibox 11. Okay, so we need to install the following software that we need so that the AMDIO it will work perfectly to our server. Okay. Okay, so first you need to run this one, or you need to install this one. Okay, cipher in. Okay, so if you check over here, so this one they have also some and other, this one. Okay. Okay, so you need to wait. Okay, so after that you can, okay, so it's already installed and it's already on iOS version, it means it's good. So after that you need to install also the next, you need to upgrade. Let's check. Okay, it means it's already upgraded. Okay, and also you need to check, you need to allow your RTB port. So for the VC box you can do firewall D, permanent, add port, so the range port of the 5600 much better, and UDP. Okay, after you add you can reload the firewall CMD reload. Okay, so it means the firewall is already added. Okay, so the RTP port, so because they need this one to confirm the voice, so at least you need to open worldwide. Okay, so after you install, you need to give the IP address of all the servers that you want to run the MDIO to the vendor, so that once you on the free trial for the 1 week, I think they giving a free trial for 1 week. Actually for one server only, they giving you a free trial, and so that you can configure the built-in AMD of the Beach Dial and the AM answering machine AI. Okay, or the AMD IO, so that you can once you run it and the vendor confirm that your IP address already whitelisted on their switch, you can able to run and start the calls. Okay, so you will see the difference, and you will see the uh, calls, how it's how is it. So and then so after that, you need to go again to your vicibox on the page. So you need to add a new carrier. Actually, you can add over here, or you can add also on the setting on the custom dial plan. But on the tutorial, okay. So we need to, okay, I'm sorry about that. So we need to also download this one. Okay. We need to click and go back here on our, so we need to download the files. So this is the file for needed. So then we need to extract it. Okay. Okay. So it means the file is already on Hagi, asterisk Hagi. And then we need to give a suitable permission. Okay. And then we can now to check, or we can run this following. Okay. If you enter, you will see okay. I think because of we don't have yet permission for that. So okay, so up your run, and actually once your IP is already allowed, you will not see this error. Okay, so mostly they can get to your they can get already to your applications. So if I run this one, okay, paste again over here. So it's running argument for our live view AI, but we can check the permissions. So it means it's executable, so you can able to run. Okay, so because you need to ask them to allow your IP address. So right now I just, you see, is my this new server, so my IP is not allowed to vendor. Okay, so and then you need to go back over here. So you need to create make an extension. So actually this one you can able to add this one to custom dial plan. So this one for the asterisk 16 and 18. So okay, if you can check over here, it's only like this. Okay. Mm. Mm. And the campaign, so change that to 370. Okay, so this is how we look if we apply it to our Vicidial server. So just go here. So we are on asterisk 16. Yes, you can copy this from here, then go to the Vicidial server, just paste over here. Okay, so you can put AMD, okay, or AMDYio is, I think there is no difference about that, or just we can put AMD for now. Okay, and then submit, and then this one you can set to active and change to all server. Okay, so So that's the variable. So don't be confused about the variable over here. So let me double check the variable there. I think this one it should be here. Okay. Let me double check the, yeah, we have there. That, okay. So double check on that. So if you copy and paste, and it will, this one it will go to down, so your variable over it will not work completely, so it giving an error. So you need to, because if you copy over here, like example, I will show you. If I copy from here to here, okay, and then just paste, you see the connect line name is not this variable, it will, this line it will not work, so it will give an error. So you need to go over there and press delete, or you can go over here, okay, and then backspace, so that the line it will this line it will gonna work, okay, and then submit. Okay, so after you submit, you need to go to the campaign. So don't forget to add the 8370 as your routing for routing. So I'm going to here, okay, this one, change to 8370, and enable the AMD routing option. For now, I'm going to submit, okay, and then you need to go back, look for the AMD routes, and you will go here. Okay, you can remove this one if you, and then set to human only. Okay, that's all. It means you're now able to use the AMDYio. So okay, so don't forget to give the server or the asterisk server to the vendor, so that he can whitelist to the AMDYio, and then you can able to gather more connected calls and gathered more appointment book sales, and etc, etc. Okay, so this is one, the AMDIO. So once you want to join, you can email them, or you just ask me, and I will I can able to assist you to the vendor. Okay, so you can message me to the page, to my channel, and then I can able to connect you to the vendor directly. So AMDIO is one of the leading answering machine detection powered by AI power. Okay, so one, this more cheaper than the came up answering machine detection, because came up is a hardware, so you need to have the hardware. But this one is AI, powered by AI, so it's more accurate also than the Vicidial built-in answering machine. Okay, so once again, this is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, and configuration for other open source application. Okay, thank you for your following, and don't forget to share this video so that they can able to see the another application that we have been reviewed and use some of my clients already, so they have good feedback about the AMDIO. So uh, if you want, and also you want to try it for 1 week free as per vendors, so we can install it to your server, and you can test for 1 week. Okay, so 1 week or 3 to 5 days testing for free. Okay, it's for free for one server only. If you have a cluster like 5 server, we can install for one server, and you can able to test use over there. Okay, and you can see the difference on how your calls being routed to your agent. Very accurate. Okay, thank you again. This is HBD tutorial for your watching, and bye bye, and see you for the next video. Bye.